In other news this morning, the effort to get impeachment articles against embattled Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton dismissed played right into the hands of prosecutors, according to a Texas constitutional law attorney.
Rudy Koski with our sister station in Austin has the latest on Paxton's impeachment trial after speaking with legal experts.
Be careful what you ask for. That's the lesson, I'm told, to the latest fallout from the Paxton impeachment case. The Senate chamber is now ready for the September trial. Wednesday, clerks could be seen working on files a few hours before the last batch of motions for the impeachment trial were made public. House prosecutors, in response to a demand made by Paxton's defense team, they wanted specific evidence to be provided, stated it's not a requirement of the process, but they offered several scandalous details against the Attorney General. The new accusations include a scheme to cover up Paxton's relationship with the mistress and his relationship with an Austin developer that she worked for. Paxton allegedly used a burner phone and an Uber account with a fake name to it to meet his mistress. He is also accused of making a six-figure payment to address a free home remodeling job that is portrayed as a bribe. I spoke to Attorney David Cole about the response and how it plays into comments made by Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick regarding the impeachment trial.
I have 31 senators. They're the jury. That's it. And it makes for a very interesting process. It's not a criminal trial. It's not a civil trial. It's a political trial.
If this is a political animal, the natural play by the House managers was to do what they did on Wednesday.
Exactly.
And make it a hot political.
When the House managers come in with something that every news outlet in the state picked up and everybody over the coffee machine in the morning is talking about Ken Paxton's burner phones, it worked politically. That has political influence. That has an impact on this particular jury. A different jury, different court, it might not really be that big a deal. But for these folks, they played exactly the right note to really resonate with what these guys are interested in.
Now, in the motions, House managers agreed with Patrick, stating that the trial is unique, if not mostly political. Lieutenant Governor Dan Patrick will issue rulings on motions dealing with the rules for the trial when it begins September the 5th. Motions to dismiss, however, all or some of the articles of impeachment, that will be taken up on the first day. But the final say on those will be made by members of the Senate who are acting as that political jury. I'm Rudy Koski, Fox 7 Austin News.